shit off. Holy fuck, I could shoot with it on. Like, I blew a hole in it after 2 movies. I don't have, yeah. I'm 25. Yeah. We were late. I got a call from him.
Wait, so that, how hard does this shoot?
I have no idea.
Alright, well you're on. Come on, ready?
Me?
Yeah, you're with Kaylin.
Kaylin's on with you, I guess. Holy shit.
Run! Run, Forrest! Run!
So we're gonna move up to that hut first?
I'm just telling the kid to move faster than not. Hey, don't move. I almost shot you in the dick.
Dude, I feel like a fuck. Okay. Which one was you, man? Do you want to move up to one of these huts first?
Yeah, we're gonna push first. Ready? Hey, don't start. There you go.
Go. I'll cover you, I'll cover you. Tell me when. Tell me when, I'll cover. Oh, they are? Oh, I hit him. I hit Reese. Move up, move up, move up. They have 2 dead. Move up, move up. Guy left side, go left side. Alright, move up, I got you. Ready? Move up, move up. I think they're just gonna camp in their base. Just went off of your guy. Catch the flag. I got you, I got you. Can I move up? Is it clear? Okay. Move it! Yeah, my wrist broke. My polymer wrist broke, so I had to Guy in tires behind castle. I'll cover. Move over. Okay. Move over a bit.
Dead man, move!
Dead man walk.
There you go.
Is he in?
See where I'm shooting?
Yeah, we need to.
Got him.
Okay, move on to the wall. Move on to the wall, you want? Tell me. Tell me one. Holy fuck. Let's guys.
Right tower's off.
Guy, bottom of the right tower. You're right. Our right. Yeah. Guy going to tires. Move up, move up. Moving! Fuck, I shit in my eye. I shit in my eye. Move up, move up, move up! Move up! Move up! Guy in left tower! Thank you, cover left, cover the left tower. He'll pop up. Me? I go left side, pin down. Hold up, defogging. You guys out? Go. Yeah, left side tires, move up. I'll cover, I'll suppress. Hold up, I'm fogging. I'm fogging a bit. Hold up. I'm gonna have to run around and get some air through. I can't see fuck.
Left tower.
I got left side pinned down. No, I got him pinned. Yeah, he's out. One of them is.
Where's he's on the left tower.
His hit. One guy in right tower.
Right tower?
Right tower, unless he's dead.
He's dead.
Are we good? Move up. Move back, go back. Yeah, we're good. Move up, move back. I got you. Yep. Woo!
When I was running, I tried to shoot one of them in my leg. It was either that hitting my ass or BB, so I don't know.
Dude, fuck, that hurt. See when I slid? I slipped on fucking grass. My ass is wet. It's all on my arm. Hold up. This is unsafe. No, so I can't.
When I shot from the end, I didn't see. I almost slipped. I'm like, fuck.
Are you using a mouth guard?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I had a shmog up there and then it fogged. Took it off. I just pulled them off and wiped them a little.
Yeah.
And now they're fucking clear. It's amazing.
My advice,
We won.
they're not going to protect you from a BB. Mouth guard or proper face protection will.
Well, no, I'm saving up for a mesh.
Oh yeah.
I'm just using a shmog.
Mesh are like $10 though. So.
What? We were on this team. Come on, you wanna say hi?
What?
We won. Camera, still came on. Alright, see you guys in the next one.